Here are Hobby Lobby's designer-approved tips to help you decorate your Christmas tree. We'll be using a pre-lit tree, which saves a lot of time and effort. First up, fill in any sparse areas of your tree with evergreen picks. Greenery and berries or pine cones create a lush, realistic look. It's time to add the ribbon. Wired ribbon is a great choice because it holds its shape, so it's easy to arrange. It's best to work with short strips of ribbon, tucking the ends into the tree. Next, add your largest decorations. For a balanced look, we recommend using an odd number of pieces and spacing them evenly around the tree. Now for the ornaments. Always start with your largest ornaments. They'll go a long way in making your tree look even fuller. Tuck large ornaments deeper into the tree. And hang smaller, lightweight ornaments at the ends of the branches. You can mix and match different finishes and textures for added interest, filling in empty spaces you see on the tree. For any remaining gaps, try adding a variety of floral picks and sprays. Stagger them around the tree or use them to highlight other elements, like ornaments or flowers. Finally, it's ready for the finishing touch, your tree topper. And just like that, our Christmas tree is complete. Now that you're in the holiday spirit, try using our tips to decorate your own tree and find everything you need to get started at Hobby Lobby. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.